Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the top bar, and here you can see all the visible icons. Just to add, remove some icons or to change their position, you should click here on the edit icon, and after that here we can see here three invisible icons which we can add here to our top bar. For example, to add it, just hold it and drag it here to this up section by this way. As can you see, that's so simple. To remove some icons, by the same way, hold it and drag it here to this down section. And now you can see the changes. Just to save it, go back, and here you can see that we just add some new icons or remove the old one. And to change the positions here, no, just that's not so hard. Hold and drag the icon to the position just where you want to change it. And to save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.